Marami sa akin nagtatanong, I have a business idea and I want to raise funds para doon sa idea ko, para gawin kong business. And sabi nila, I really believe that the business will work. Ang sabi ko, businesses are not built on ideas alone. Importante yung execution that proves that the idea will work, that is going to be profitable. So, kung idea lang, sa totoo lang, marami namang idea sa internet eh. Libre nga eh. Marami namang idea sa ChatGPT eh. At mabilis nga eh. If you want 10 ideas, you can get it from ChatGPT. So what will count is execution and proving that idea and the business model will work, no? Once that is done, once you reach that point when the business has proven to work and it's producing profits, then that will be the time for you to raise funds kung kakapusin ka. Don't raise funds based on ideas because people who are not really well versed in business, pwede din po sila makuha pero magagalit sa iyo sila later on. That's not the way to do it.